Pew pew. Pew pew. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is part 2 of BIGO Live Mathematics. And what we're going to be talking about is the family prestige and the family prestige gifts. So now that I've broke down what a bead is, how you convert beads and diamonds and all that other good stuff, now we're going to talk about family prestige. Now listen guys, if you are not in a family prestige is not really going to count for you if you throw in family prestige gifts like maces, shields, dragons. You're not going to get those points if you're not in a family, okay? Now, if somebody that you throwing those points on, let's say you throw somebody a mace and they're in a family but you're not, they'll still get the point for the family prestige, okay? So just so you guys understand that, our family prestige only work for people in the families. If you're not in one, but you still throwing those gifts, it'll count for the other person, but it won't count for you. Okay, so let's just jump right into it. Okay. Here we go. And actually, before we do that, before we actually look at my family board, the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go into the rules. So we can see what family prestige is, what family prestige our gifts are, okay, and what do they do. So, of course, everybody knows that a family prestige gift really consists of a shield, a family shield, a super dragon, magic balls, hot air balloons, maces, golden dinos, treasures, and petal rings. Okay? Now, you will see a lot of family shields and maces get thrown around because those are the more least expensive gifts that will give you a lot of points. And they will also help you out on your board when you're doing your lives. Okay? Now, super dragons, if you get a super dragon, that's really special because that's like 2 boxes. Okay? So if you get a super dragon one day, just know that you're going to be sitting on at least 2 boxes on your live. The magic balls are really good for when you're doing fan lotteries. And we'll talk about fan lotteries in a whole nother video. But magic balls are really given out when you're doing the fan lottery because there are only 10 diamonds, and the more people that join the fan lottery, the more magic balls you get and the more points you get on the contribution board, okay, on the family prestige board. So every day you have a task, okay? So it says daily task. Win daily task bonuses by reaching each combat point requirement for the task level. So as you can see, task level 1, you get a family reward of 100 beans, okay, which is 50 cents. It's like 50 cents. If you get 1,500,000 combat points. And you go up and up like that in level, okay? Top contributors in the family's daily combat points will be rewarded if the family reaches the task threshold. So the only people that will get these beans will be the top contributors of the family. So you got number 1, number 2, number 3. So right now it's me, right? Me, Goddess, and HBIC that are the number 3 contributors on the board. So every time the family gains a level, we'll get these rewards in our wallet. Okay? Now, the rules. Your family's hourly ranking group is based on your progress towards your daily task. So, of course, you have to meet your daily task in order to move up in the ranking group hourly. Because every hour, a new family moves up in the ladder. So that's why when you go into a lot of people's rooms, they're going to be like, guys, please send me family gifts only, family gifts. That's because they're trying to get their family towards a certain level for the day. What we're going to do is that we're going to go and check what the prestige does. Okay, so we're going to click not on the Creative Misfits family. We're going to click on the top where it says Cosmos Star 4. Right next to that it says Creative Misfits. It's a silver badge. You're going to click on that. What that does is it takes you to this board. It says Family Prestige. Okay? And the first board right here is going to show you a lot of the top ranking families. Okay? They have a lot of prestige. But what I want to do is that I want to go into my family by clicking my family. So now we go back. As you see, it says Creative Misfits on the bottom. It says my family's hourly ranking 200 plus. That means that we are over the 200. We're like really, really low in the rank. That we're not high. We're past the 200s. Okay? My contribution ranking on my page right now for today is 3 points. And that is because I sent out a couple maces earlier today. My contribution combat points is 15. Okay? The reason for that is because I sent out 15 maces a little while ago. So click on my family. You'll see that my level for the month, for this month alone, okay, is 15,727. That means that for this month alone, I've sent out a whole bunch of family prestige gifts, and that is the points that I received for this month. Diamond contributed this season. These are beads and diamonds are two different things. So for the month, I've completed a couple tasks, and the task points for this month, I got 35 points. Now, as you guys can see, our goddess is actually above me in the member ranking. Even though I am the founder and I'm always going to sit on the very top, right now I'm only number 2 on the member ranking board. Goddess is way above me because she has gotten more combat points this month by receiving gifts. I have gotten more combat points really by sending gifts, if you really look at my numbers. Okay, guys, so for this example, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go into a private solo live because I got to show you the gift box, okay? So you guys will know what the family prestige gifts are. And, I already broke down exactly all the points and stuff that you could get. The bonuses you could get from BIGO for being top 3 or whatever in the family. So here we go. Let me set this room to private because we don't want nobody coming in. Okay? And now we're going to go live. Three, 2, 1. And you see it says private room, so nobody will come in here. Okay? So, first thing I want to do is show you the gift box. Okay? So, down on the bottom of your screen right here on this side, you're going to see a purple box with a gift in it. You're going to click on that. All right? Now you see the gifts, right? So, what I want you to do is slide. You can slide real simply. You don't stay on popular. Go to multi, you see multi. Then you see gala 2021. Then you see family prestige. You want to be on this page where you're sending family prestige gifts, okay? So let's say you walk into a room and the title says family gifts only. This is what they mean by family gifts, okay? So the lowest gift on here is a mace. If you send somebody a mace, they're going to get a bean for it, okay? You got the golden dino. I really don't see a lot of people throwing the golden dino, but that is a family prestige gift. If you throw it onto somebody, they're going to get 25 beans out of that, okay? You got the family, the pedal raid, okay? And the way that works is when somebody throws you that gift, you have to go like this to the camera. And what will happen, a bunch of real beautiful petals will come in the screen and it'll take a nice screenshot of you. It's really, really pretty, okay? Then you have the treasure. The treasure is always thrown around because it's 100 diamonds, right? And it's one of the greatest family prestige gifts. People get it at shows and stuff like that, for participation. Now you got the magic ball. The magic ball is 10 diamonds. However, when somebody told you the magic ball, you're only going to get like 3 or 4 beans out of that. You're not going to get 10 beans. You're going to get like 3 or 4 beans. That's it. Okay? And a lot of people throw the magic ball when they're doing the fan lottery. So I'll talk about fan lottery in another video. But if you got a fan lottery going on in your room, make sure that it has a magic ball as a gift, that people are throwing you. Because the more magic balls, the more beans you get. Okay? The Hall of Glory. Now listen. Right now we are in the gala. We're doing the gala 2021. What the gala is, it talks about the biggest broadcasters on the app. It also talks about the biggest families on the app. And they get rewards from BIGO. They get to go to Singapore and a whole bunch of other good stuff. So right now, because we're in the gala, this would normally be a dragon. The one that says 9999 and it says Gala Hall of Glory, that would normally be a dragon, okay? But right now, man, this gift is beautiful. I got this gift one time this month. This gift is really, really beautiful, okay? It's like a big castle, and then you see this big dragon come out. It's really, really nice. They did a good job on that gift, okay? So if you get that gift, that is one box. Remember I told you guys about getting to the stars and everything? If you get a gift like that, that'll automatically send you over to one box, okay? The gala shield. Now, the shield, the family shield, I'll show you guys the picture. The family shield is what normally would be there, okay? Nothing too much changed with the shield, except it got a little cute little side effects that go with it, okay? But that is always a family shield. It'll say family shield. Right now it says gala shield, because if you throw that at somebody, they will get points for the gala, and also points for their family. Then you got the gala trophy. Now listen, I was really confused at first because I went and I sent somebody a gala shield, right? And I was like, just throw me back a gala shield if you got it, you know? They threw me the gala trophy. This is a really beautiful gift, guys. It's like this big gold trophy that lights up the room. It's really nice. And it's the same amount as the shield, okay? So you're going to be getting the same amount of diamonds that you would get from the gala shield. You get the same amount with the trophy as well, okay? It's kind of like the same thing. They're just two different gifts, okay? So that is what the family prestige gifts are, guys. These are the gifts that you want to send to people when they say, family gifts only, please. These are the gifts you want to send. Let's say somebody throws you a gala shield, right? On your family prestige board, you're going to get 999 points. Even though you don't get 999 beans for that gift, you will still get 999 family prestige points for that gift, whether you throw it to somebody or whether somebody throws it to you, okay? The same thing with the treasure. Even though you don't get 100 beans for the treasure, actually, it used to be 1,000. Even though you don't get 1,000 beans for the treasure, you only get 100 beans, right? That will be 100 points on the board, okay? That's what I try to tell you guys. For the dragon, which is now the Hall of Glory, you see it says 9999, right? You won't get that as a bean. You won't get 9,999 beans for that. Okay, you'll get a little less than that. But you will still get 9,999 prestige points. Okay? That's why I try to tell you. It's so different when you're looking at it that way. Okay, guys, so that's it with family prestige gifts and family prestige points. I hope you guys get a little, understanding of what the rundown is when it comes to sending and receiving gifts, what points you get on the board, what bean count you get, and all the BIGO mathematics to it. Okay? So I'm going to see you guys in the next video where we're going to talk about fan badges, fan loyalty gifts, and exclusive gifts. Okay, and that's going to be in the next video. So I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Love you guys.
Pew pew. Pew pew.